Tiwari. Today I am going to teach you Unit 4 for class 10th, a very important chapter from the diary of Anne Frank. This diary is written by Anne Frank. Anne Frank was a young girl who wrote this diary. In previous classes, I have already taught you about this chapter, the importance of this chapter, and I already narrated the diary of Anne Frank. Today I continue my lecture, so I suggest you to listen carefully. Mr. Casing had a good laugh at my argument, but when I proceeded to talk my way through the next lesson, he assigned me a second essay. This time it was supposed to be on an incorrigible chatterbox. I handed in it, and Mr. Casing had nothing to complain about for 2 whole lessons. However, during the third lesson, he had finally had enough. Anne Frank, as punishment for talking in class, write an essay entitled "Quack, Quack, Quack," said Mistress Chatterbox. Through this stanza, Anne Frank describes about the situation of her classroom. Her math teacher, Mr. Casing, always chided her for talking, but this demerits is her habitual demerit, so it is very difficult to Anne Frank to remove this talking remove this talking. So Mr. Casing had a good laugh at my argument when Anne Frank presented her essay on chatterbox, and Mr. Casing saw that essay and he accepted her essay. But when I proceed to talk my way through the next lesson, when I start talking through the next lesson, he gave me a second essay. This time it was supposed to be an incorrigible chatterbox. Incorrigible means something that cannot be corrected, usually a bad quality. I handed in it, and Mr. Casing had nothing to complain about for 2 whole lessons. When I finished my second essay, and he found that essay, and nothing to complain about the 2 whole lessons. But during the third lesson, he had finally had enough, and Anne Frank, as punishment for talking class, and he gave him punishment for her talking in the class, and he gave him an essay, "Quack, Quack, Quack," said Mistress Chatterbox. This is the title of the essay, and he said to Anne, write down this on this topic. The class roared, all classes, and the students of the class are talking together, and I had to laugh too. I had also laughed in the class and thought I had nearly exhausted my ingenuity on the topic of chatterbox. Ingenuity means originality and inventiveness. It was time to come with something else, something original. My friend sang, who is good at poetry. One of the students sang, "She is my friend and she is very good in poetry," so offered to help me write the essay on beginning to end in words, and I jumped for joy. And she helped me to write the essay from beginning to end in a verse, and this is a really a very good things for me, and I jumped for joy. Mr. Casing was trying to play joke on me with this ridiculous subject, but I had made sure to joke was on him. Mr. Casing always tried to joke on him for this ridiculous subject. Quack, 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 said Mr. Chatterbox. So, what I decided to joke was on him, and I finished my poem, and it was beautiful. It was about mother duck and a father swan with three baby ducklings who were beaten to death by the father because they quacked too much. And I wrote an essay about that topic, and this essay is a very remarkable essay for Mr. Casing. In this essay, I describes about a family of duck and swan. Duck, mother duck, and father swan, and they have three. They had three children, but father swan, who were beaten to death by baby ducklings, who were beaten to death the by the father because they quacked too much. For the habit of quacking, their father, swan duck, beaten to death by baby ducklings. This is really a very remarkable essay for Mr. Casing, and when Mr. Casing found this essay, go through this essay, and he was able to understand the argument of the children. And luckily, Mr. Casing took the joke the right way, and he read the poem to the class, and he changes some arguments of this essay, and he loudly ordered to read this essay in the class, adding his own comments and to several other classes as well. Since then, I have been allowed to talk and have not been assigned any extra homework. On the contrary, Mr. Casing always making joke these days. After that day, Mr. Casing always making joke to me, and he never gave me any other extra work, and I go through do extra work. And Anne stopped her writing in her diary writing. This extracts taken from her diary, but this is in this extract we get only some parts of her diary. In this diary, she describes about her childhood, about her school, about her school days, but the main feature of this extract is to understand the style of diary writing. The style of diary writing is very good, and this diary is appreciable for the people on that time, and today we are also appreciate this diary. And I want to stop my lecture, and I suggest all students to go through the chapter and try to understand, and you also try to know about the technique of diary writing. After reading this work, this extract, you try to answer these questions given in your text, the oral comprehension check or the talking about the text. These are the important questions for you, so you try to answer these questions, and you feel any type of problem, then you ask me and I try to solve your problem.